Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy. This update is for Monday, June 3rd. Yes, June. Wow. 3rd, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. It has been an interesting week in the market. Let's go ahead and review. Before we do, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendation. All right. So we'll start off with the economic reports as well we should. We even got reports on Sunday this week. You got OPEC meetings all day on Sunday. And then Monday, we've got PMI comes out at 9:45. And then ISM comes out at 10 o'clock. They're two different ones, same report though. So you have two reports coming out on Monday, different times that could affect the market. If you're in a trade in the morning, know that these are coming up. JOLTS is coming up Tuesday at 10 a.m. Once again, another report there. We've got ADP, final PMI. So PMI and ISM again on Wednesday. And those are 9:45 and 10. On Thursday, we've got unemployment that's at 8:30. And then we've got a couple of them on Friday. They're also pre-market. All of them relating back to unemployment rates. So there's the economics reports. Let's go take a look at the market and see what's happening. So big picture, what we're looking at here, right? We're going to zoom it on in. Okay, so I've got a new set of lines drawn on here, which gives us, it's this ABC pattern that I drew. I don't remember if I showed it last week, but we start where the fib started. That's A, B goes up to where the fib ended, and C comes to the lowest low of the pullback in the entire thing. Doesn't matter that it bounced, the lowest low we take it down to. So we did, we took it down there, and then it draws three lines, 2, 3, 6, 6, 1, 8, and a 1. The one's a little bit higher up right here. It gives us more of that longer range of what we're looking at. So right now, this tells us why we've been hesitating around that 5291, 5300-ish level is we've got a line sitting right there that without this ABC would have never been visible. Over the last 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we had this big pullback last week on Thursday. Here we are Friday. Remember, we had holiday on Monday, so our first day is Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So over this week, down, all 3 days. Today we stretched down, got down. Well, we closed in neutral bias yesterday. We got back above the 21, but that still leaves us in neutral. Got to close above the 8 to get out of that neutral. Can't be bullish neutral without being bullish first. So, but we're not that far away. Pullback is not a bad thing. I'm really not too concerned with it. I'd love to see a bounce, of course, but hey, ideally I want to get above that 5261 level and then the 5271, which is the 8. And then from there, the 5291, which is our 618. So this is a very messy road. There's a lot of obstacles in the road. There's a downed tree, there's some broken glass, there's some garbage cans blue in the road, and you got to kind of drive around everything. Ooh, electrical wire, right? There's a lot happening over there right now. Electrical wire is up here. So we got to be cautious and be aware of all of these various levels. To the downside, you've got that 5197 level. We'll call it just 5200 is close enough, and 5132, right? So if we look at fear, which is the VIX, so we're down a little bit today. Nothing crazy. I think there was a big overreaction came in over the last couple of days. This pullback, it's a Friday. We're seeing settling take place. We're seeing a profit taking take place, closing positions out before the weekend. I think that's all part of it. I wouldn't build too much into it. We're still sitting at 13.25 right now, so there's nothing to be worried about at all, right? So remember, on the upside targets, we've got a couple of them. 5291 is the first one. 5335, which has a confluence of 5342. And then from there, we're looking at 5410. All right, have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you all at our next update. Take care, folks. Bye for now.